Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to save a new patient as a debtor on the Theatre app. When you save a debtor on the Theatre app, a new electronic file is generated on GoodX web. This allows you to build the debtor or patient directly from within the practice after their procedure. Operations can be initiated on the Theatre app for new debtors and patients who do not yet have accounts at a practice or are not listed on your debtor list. Navigate to the GoodX Theatre app website by typing /app/GoodX Theatre at the end of the GoodX web URL and press enter on your keyboard. The GoodX Theatre screen will open, indicating all the theatre lists scheduled for that day. Click on the theatre booking drop-down menu and click on the View Operation button. The Operation tab will open. Next, click on the Patient and Debtor panel. For the purpose of this video, the debtor or patient cannot be searched for since they do not have any files with the practice as of yet. Now you can complete all the relevant information in the fields provided below. For more information regarding each field and option, please refer to the Theatre app, add new patient and debtor to operation user manual, linked in this video's description. Once done, click on the Save as New Debtor button. Please note that the newly created debtor or patient from the Theatre app will display on the debtor list.